We are pleased to show you the 2018 Buick Cascada. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, sport suspension, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, airbags, front knee, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, cruise control, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.